how to fix the product not showing on my Shopify store? That's one of the most asked questions when it comes to my DMs and also on email. There is multiple reasons why the product might not be showing in your Shopify store, but in this video, I will go through all of them. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to products, obviously. Then click on the product that's not showing. In my case, let's just assume that this one right here. So the first thing you're going to do is, because Shopify included a new feature lately, which is unlisted, as you can see. Unlisted, just check this first. Click on it and see what is it. Is it active or draft or unlisted? Draft is product not visible on the store, but also cannot be purchased. So it's not available for sale. But unlisted is actually available for sale, but not listed on your Shopify store. It's only accessed through direct linking. And this is a very handy feature if you want to offer products for only for specific customers they asked for or anything like that. So make sure it says active. If it's unlisted or draft, it will not show up on your store. The next thing you're going to do is this publishing right here. Click on this small icon right here and make sure it's enabled for online store. If this one is disabled, it will not show up on your store again. So make sure it's enabled and click on done. This is one of the two main reasons why the product might not show up on your Shopify store, but not only them. There is one more, which is markets. Navigate to the menu here, markets, click on it, and simply make sure to check all the markets you have created in case you did. Click on, for example, in my case is Asia. On catalog in here, as you can see, make sure it says all products. So in my case, all products are available for this market right here. I'm gonna do the same for the other ones as well. Europe, all products, it means are good for Europe. So all the products are available for people in Europe. United States as well, it says all products. So yeah, check one of these three options and you will find one of them that's causing your product not showing on your Shopify store. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.